Hi, boys and girls. Today for math, we are going to take a further look at counting by groups of 10. Why we're learning that skill, what the importance of knowing how to count by fives, count by tens, break things into smaller groups is. So here, let's get started with our video.
How do you count a large group of objects? Let's take a look. What is the quickest way you can count these cubes?
Wow, boys and girls, that's a lot of cubes all over the place. How could we find out how many cubes we have? What are some of the ideas that you have? Go ahead and yell them out. Lots of different ways that we could go about counting these cubes.
One possible answer is count by twos. Another answer is count by fives. Yet another answer is count by tens. How does counting by tens work? Think about this question as you do the activity that comes next.
Okay, so how do we count by tens? We know how to count by tens when we sing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. But why do we do that? What does that help us with? Let's find out. Okay.
Drag 10 cubes into each section to make them easier to count.
All right, so boys and girls, look at all of these cubes. That's a lot of cubes, right? No, we could count these and we could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And we could just keep counting each of these cubes one at a time, right? We could do that. But what would be an easier way to count these? What do you think? So it's suggested that we drag 10 cubes into each section. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10, right? Let's try this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now, instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, that's a lot of counting. Now what we can do is we can say 10, 20, 30, 40, because every row has 10 and we can count them by tens. Good job, kindergarten.
How many cubes are there in all? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. There are 34 cubes in all. How is the bottom group of cubes different from the top group of cubes?
All right, so boys and girls, look, we have groups of 10 and a few left over. Before, we had those cubes everywhere, and it was very difficult to keep track of what you were counting. Now we have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So much easier.
One answer is some of the cubes are grouped by tens. How can you count this set of cubes?
Which we just did. We just counted them by tens and then ones. Let's try it again. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34.
Count them by tens. 10, 20, 30. How can you count the cubes that are left?
We count the extras just by 1, 2, 3, 4. By ones. It's like when we counted our calendar and we count our bundles of tens and how many left over.
Count them by ones. 31, 32, 33, 34. How was counting the bottom group of cubes different from counting the top group of cubes?
It was, what do you think, kindergarten? How was it different counting the top versus counting the bottom? We counted by tens on the top. We counted groups or bundles, like we say calendar, on the top. And then on the bottom, we counted one at a time, just like we do at our calendar time with our days of school.
One possible answer is it was faster. Why is grouping and counting by tens a faster way to count? One possible answer is there are fewer groups to count. How many cubes in all?
How many did we count in all? One more time. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34.
There are 34 cubes in all. Suppose you took one set of 10 cubes away. How many cubes would there be?
We had 34. One group of 10 is missing. Let's check now. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 now.
There would be 24 cubes. You counted a big group of cubes. You practiced counting by tens first and then counting on by ones.
So great job, boys and girls, for following along with me. As you can see, if we have a big cluster of, or a big group of objects all over the place, it's very, very, very hard to count them. However, if we sort them and organize them into groups of 10, it is so much easier and faster to count them. Please check into the next video for today's assignment. All right, kindergarten, bye-bye for now.